it needs more green in it, but you get the idea. So now my lights on that side are now my darks on my highlights on that side. So next thing we want to do is figure out the neck. We have a muscle that comes from behind the ear. What time is it? Okay.
What do you do for eyebrows?
Okay, eyebrows.
Is it the last part, or you just gonna?
I do it when I do the hair.
Oh, okay.
When you are painting, chances are you are going to put them in the wrong place. Because,
Okay.
I mean, I can't tell you how many times we've had to coat over eyebrows because they were in the wrong place. This distance between, you have to imagine this distance, and then you have to imagine the distance there, and it always seems like they're either too high or too low. So what we want to do is we want to start, and you could actually start with just something that is skin tone color, so that if all fails, it could fit into the skin tone. So I might start with something, especially in watercolor, with something that is close to my skin color that I know is going to work, and I'll put that in as a shadow base into my eyebrows. So if my eyebrow's a little wider, I can just go ahead and put that in there. I had a makeup person tell me that they should be right above the corner. I don't see that very often. I would say they are much more off a little bit to the inside of that, more above that area. So it's up to the person again and how much their hair grows in their area. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in, starting at the same point. Both eyebrows are not equal. One might be higher than another. They might look a little bit different than each other. That's fine. Igor, my Russian mentor at one point in my life, I noticed that he would raise one on purpose. And it would always look like the person, because he did really serious, because it's the Russian way, kind of like real serious. Well, yeah, he'd have one eyebrow higher than the other, and he'd catch
Like
this
they're
look.
like.
Yeah. So it had this expression, but they were very serious and kind of a stern Russian type personality, It says, we did the same fireman, and his turned out looking mean. Mine looked like a teddy bear. So, same person. So I'm going to start. I'm going to go next with a color that is not as dark as I want to go eventually. So I might start with a lighter brown. Let's see what happens if I add this in, especially if I have a blonde. I'm not going to go very dark, so I'm going to take that color and I'm going to go in with that color, and I'm going to start building that eyebrow up as in hairs. Dab it a little bit in a few areas.